All right, good afternoon, everybody. This is Ryan Willis here. I'm at the National Weather Service office. We'll go ahead and get started on the weekly briefing. Just to begin with the highlights, as you've noticed, we've dried out and we'll continue dry for the next couple of days, and you'll notice a warming trend beginning today, getting rid of some of those well below normal temperatures that we've been seeing. And with the warming trend, we will see eventually a return to rain chances, with showers really beginning as early as Sunday, with next week bringing continued rain chances as well as pretty well above normal temperatures. At this point, there's some thunderstorm activity possible as we head into next week, but not currently anticipating severe thunderstorms. And the potential for heavier rainfall will increase next week as well, particularly across North Georgia, and we'll get into that just a little bit more here. All right, today and tomorrow, you'll notice a significant warming trend. This on the left-hand side is today's high temperatures. Still pretty cool out there, below normal, highs ranging from the 40s in North Georgia into the low to mid 50s down in Central Georgia. One more night tonight where temperatures will drop below freezing for most areas before we rebound pretty significantly tomorrow. Most areas will be in the 50s or approaching 60 in Central Georgia, and continued dry conditions through the day on Friday. That brings us into the weekend, kind of split it up into each day this weekend. Saturday ends up being even warmer than Friday, high temperatures around 60 for most areas, and generally pretty dry with increasing cloud cover. Can't rule out a very slight chance for a shower in Central Georgia, particularly Saturday afternoon, but all in all, looking not too bad for the weather on Saturday. Now, as we head into Sunday, still looking at mild temperatures, generally 50s and 60s across the area. There is the chance for increasing at least light rain showers, particularly by the afternoon and into the evening. However, it's not going to be a washout type situation at this point. It doesn't appear to be. Generally 30 to 40% chance is what we're expecting at this point by Sunday afternoon. I just wanted to give you an idea here on the uncertainty as to when exactly any showers will be increasing on Sunday. Take a look at a couple of the different models that we look at. This is a snapshot from the GFS 7 p.m. on Sunday. Still, all in all, looking pretty dry for the afternoon according to the GFS. If we jump to the Euro, it does have some very light showers Sunday afternoon, increasing across the area. So at this point, expecting that possibility for some light showers by Sunday afternoon and evening, but not looking at any heavy rainfall or anything all that significant at this point if we do get any showers on Sunday. Next week, we do lead into a more unsettled period. This is a loop of one of our models that we look at, just showing you generally across North Georgia, especially pretty unsettled with continued shower and thunderstorm chances at least into midweek next week. Digging into that just a little bit more, taking the forecast for a few different locations. You can see pretty high rain chances sticking with us, especially at the North Georgia sites, Monday through Wednesday of next week, and even the chance for some thunderstorms in there as well. So pretty active weather pattern, especially in North Georgia as we head into next week. Rainfall totals at this point, pretty light, like I said, if we get any showers on Sunday, and gradually increasing in rainfall totals as we get into next week. So this is taking a look from Sunday morning through Tuesday morning, perhaps approaching an inch for some areas across North Georgia, particularly through the day on Monday. And then the potential for even heavier rain increases as we get into midweek next week. There is some potential for, at least 2+ inches of rain across North Georgia during that time frame. However, I want to give you that uncertainty does still exist on where an axis of heavier rainfall could set up. It could set up a little north of where we're indicating right now, which would indicate less rainfall across North Georgia, but there is a potential for an axis of heavier rainfall as we get into that Tuesday through Thursday timeframe of next week, which could lead to some flooding concerns at that point if it does set up. But I did just want to alert everybody that we are getting into a weather pattern where we could get some more significant rainfall as we head into next week. So that's pretty much what we have for you. Just to sum it all up, enjoy the next couple of days of drier weather and warming temperatures before some light shower chances begin to return by Sunday, and then continued above normal temperatures as we head into next week with unsettled shower and thunderstorm activity. Not currently anticipating severe thunderstorms at this time, but that potential for some heavier rainfall does look like it could increase, particularly into North Georgia for next week. So with that, that's really what we're looking at. I'll go ahead and